Hi everybody, my name is Tracy. I'm sure some of us have already had class together. I'm from Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and I'm not sure what electives I picked. I feel like it was so long ago I can't remember anymore. It makes sense that I may have picked this because children and families is really the population I've always worked with and I hope to continue working with. Well, gosh, since I was like a teenager, I've always worked with children. I worked in preschool. I was a pre-K teacher. I was a director of a center, then an operations manager for center, and then for the past 11 and a half years, I worked for the YMCA as a director of youth development in our urban location. So really got to know a lot about trauma and a lot of things that happen there with families, which is what drew me to getting my master's degree in social work. So that's really why I'm interested in this elective. What I hope to learn from the class, everything. Even though I've worked with families for years and years and years, there's always more to know, more to learn. And I think, related to abuse, I'll kind of combine those two questions. I have a really hard time processing it when a child is abused in any way, whether it's physical, sexual, mental, emotional, if it's neglect. I have a really hard time separating my emotions from that. And I'm hoping that through this class I can find some ways to work with children and families and at the same time provide self-care to myself and be able to work with them effectively without not letting my emotions get in the way, because I fear that happens sometimes, and that doesn't make me a good social worker, right? Getting too emotional, things like that. So I'm hoping that is something I could learn. And as far as how I feel about child abuse, I think that kind of answers that. But I also do have a lot of experience being mandated reporter. I've had to report child abuse more times than I can count, and I've been in situations where it wasn't just the child being abused, it was the mother or it was whoever else in the household, and just dealing with that. So I have a lot of experience from that perspective as far as working with families and finding out about it and doing the reporting. I don't have a lot of experience working hands-on with children who are abused, and again, that's because I've always kind of distanced myself because I do get emotional about those sort of things, so I'm hoping this class will teach me that. So I think it covers everything. I'm looking forward to this class, and I think we have, 5 months to go, and we're done, so very exciting. Good luck to everybody, and we'll talk soon.